Welcome to the demonstration of projects module. As the name suggests, the project module deals with handling of the projects which comprises of various factors such as project progress, project costing, time tracking, etc. The ERP software, we click on the projects module. First, we get the dashboard and we get the various doc types that are present in the projects module. Doc types include projects, task, project template, project type, and project update. Time tracking will include timesheet, activity type, activity cost. Reports include the reports that are comprised of all the data that goes into the project's files. Let's see the prerequisites first. Project type deals with the types of project that can be created. The system gives you complete flexibility to create your own project type. Here we have few examples. Let's head back. The task deals with individual tasks that you can connect to a project. This can be a parent task, subtask, and dependent task as well. Let's click on a new doc type, see what data we can input. So the subject will be the name. Here you can connect it to the project, the weightage, priority, status. Here you can connect the parent task. The parent task has to be created beforehand for it to be connected. Here you get the task types. You can create various task types yourself. You can select whether it is a group or a template. You can put the expected start date, expected time in hours, expected end date. All these three factors are codependent. You can denote the percentage of progress in the project finishing of this task will provide. You can set whether it is a milestone. You can add the description of the task. You can set the dependent tasks that are connected to this project. You can even set the department of it. Let's head back. Project update. Project update deals with the first you can connect the project, the users who are connected to it, and the update when it is sent. You can click this. Project template. The ERP system lets you create templates of recurring projects, which we'll see how is to be used in the projects file. So here we have a sample projects template. There are some number of tasks that are in the list. So when you connect or select this project template, these tasks will get auto-populated in the project. Let's see the main project doc type. We have added a new project. In the new project, you can give it a name. The template that we saw, once you select it, it populates the tasks, expected start and end date, the type of project. It gives you the drop down from the project type, doc type, priority of the project, what is the percentage of completion method, whether it is the task completion, task progress, or task weightage, the customer detail, the sales order, the users who will be participating in this project, any notes, the costing and billing. It will come from the materials used, the timesheets, etc. Let's look at a sample project that has been created. Here you can see you get a heat map that tracks the activity. You can see there are 6 tasks that are created in this project. The timesheet, as you can see, you can raise a material request from the project itself for purchase. You can create a bill of material, a stock entry, expense claim against the project, any issues that arise. Enter the project update, create a purchase order, purchase receipt, purchase invoice. Similarly, a sales orders, delivery note, and sales invoice. You can see we have input some sample data. The costing and billing comes via the timesheet and the sales orders, etc. So the cost to the company and billable amount will be both visible. You can even get the gross margin. You can even monitor the progress. You can see there are 3 timesheets against this project. So it is showing up in here. The next, what you can see is the Gantt view of the same. It will show you in a Gantt view. It is interactive. You can mark a task completed right here as well. Also, you can shift the start and end date of it. Here you can see the dependent tasks and the parent task relation as well. Click here, you go back. Let's look at the time tracking part of it. You can define your own activity type. So here we have some predefined ones, meeting, communication, etc. These activity types come at a cost. So you can input the activity cost for each individual as well. So a manager might have a different cost to company and a billable amount than a simple employee. Let's open one. As you can see, the billing rate and costing rate have been put here. So when a timesheet is created, the billable amount and the cost to company both get calculated. The timesheet. Let's open a new one. The timesheet, you can select the company. If it is a multi-company setup, you can select single project, which will populate the entire table. You can select the customer, the employee gets auto-selected, or the manager can select it as well. The activity type that we defined previously comes in a drop-down. The best thing about the timesheet is if an individual is working on multiple projects, they can create a single timesheet for multiple projects as well. The time has to be different. The system will not let you overlap the time. The total working hours will be calculated. If it is a billable task, you can click on this. The billing details will show up, the billable hours, the billing amount, and the costing amount to the company as well. There are additional notes, you can write it here. These are the reports. You get the daily timesheet summary, employee hour utilization, project profitability, project-wise stock tracking, project billing summary, and delayed task summary as well. This brings us to the end of the project demonstration. Thank you.